Good morning. Welcome back to What I Ate Wednesday. Currently 5:03. Let's go. Dogs.
Sitting in my bedroom, there in the silence. Wonder if the fire's burning low. Overcomplicated our last conversation. Maybe it was nothing, I should let it go. You don't ever say what you're thinking.
I am so tired. I did not get a lot of sleep last night because Andrea is still training into his big boy bed. So he got up several times in the night and I didn't get to sleep until probably about 9:30, which is late for me. I'm usually asleep by either 8:30, 9. And so yeah, you can probably tell from my face, I am really tired, but it's okay. It's a new day. It's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna get my workout in, and I'm gonna show you my breakfast. That is my breakfast: porridge, brown sugar, and cinnamon. And then this is gonna be for my workout.
Came from out of nowhere. Now we're getting caught up in the middle. Shouldn't be hard to love. It was so beautiful. Why don't we take it back to yesterday? Relive the moments in time when nothing mattered, nothing but me and you. We keep running around, messing about, baby. Is it all in my head? There's never a doubt. I love you now, love ya, like the day that we met. If there is a way to rewind, I'll do it 'cause I want to go back to yesterday.
It's now 6:04 and I'm about to have my protein shake. This is my shake. I prep it the night before. It's 40 grams in here, and then you just fill it to the max line, which is 250 mils with water. This is the vanilla shake. It smells so good. It smells like a cake. And I'll show you the brand that I use. So this is the brand that I use. It's Liberto vanilla flavored organic protein shake, and it's organic, vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, dairy-free obviously, and that's the one I drink. And then Jonathan drinks this one, organic dark chocolate and cherry. So they also do a lemon one. I haven't tried it. Jonathan doesn't really like the lemon one. He likes this one better, and I like this one because my favorite flavor is vanilla.
It was so beautiful. Why don't we take it back to yesterday? Relive the moments in time.
It's currently almost 8:30. Two of the kids are at school. Alessia and Eduardo have gone to school. Andrea and Emilia are still here, and I just made my peppermint and licorice tea. So this is the tea that I usually would have had like with my porridge, but obviously I don't drink it with that at 5 in the morning anymore. So I usually make this once the kids have gone to school because it kind of gets a bit more relaxed. I'm just cleaning up after the dogs. There's dogs outside. I'm just put on the dishwasher, cleared up breakfast things, and then I'll start making my eggs in a minute. This is gonna look kind of gross, but it's now 12 minutes past 9 and I just made my eggs and avocado. So all I do is boil 2 eggs. This is kind of, it's a snack, but it's kind of like a second breakfast. So I boil 2 eggs, hard boil them, and then I add half an avocado, mash everything up in a bowl together with salt and pepper, and that's it. And it's so good, so filling. It's good protein, healthy fats, and it looks kind of gross, but I promise you it tastes amazing. It is lunchtime, and look who's back from school. Lessie, messy Lessie. So I'm having leftovers from last night. I'm having meatloaf with feta and sun-dried tomatoes. And, and then I'm having veggies. So it's a mixture of asparagus, mushrooms, red peppers, courgettes, and aubergines. And then a bottle of water. Leslie, what did you have for lunch? Tuna and sweet corn wrap? Tomato? Cucumber?
Yeah.
Veggie straws?
Black.
What did you have for a snack at school?
Black.
It's currently 2:45. I'm just cooking dinner. So I'm making some quinoa, and then there is salmon in the oven. And I just thought I would have make myself a coffee and a little snack. It's really gloomy today. It's not as nice as it has been. Like, it has been really, really nice here and like sunny and hot. Yesterday was actually 26 degrees, but today it's like 18, so it's kind of muggy, and it's not like cold, but it's not hot either. It's kind of like in between and very gray and very gloomy. Kids are all here except for Eduardo. So he's about to finish school he'll be finished in like about half an hour. So I'm gonna get my quick little snack in. I've got a Fudgy brownie bite, I think it's called. This is Michelle Marie's recipe, and it's made with black beans. There's no dairy in here. It's just yeah, dairy free and gluten free, and it's made with, what is in this? Put in maple syrup, black beans, I can't remember. Oh, there's coconut in here. They're so good. They do taste like fudgy brownie bites. And then I've got a decaf latte. I just used lacto-free, semi-skimmed lacto-free milk. And that's gonna be my little snack. I think this is nearly finished. Don't want it to burn or stick. There we go. It tastes just like a brownie. You store these in the fridge, and then I just pop them in the microwave for like 20-30 seconds. That's it. So yum. It is currently 5:30. It's actually a little bit late. We usually have dinner a bit earlier, but I was on the phone to my mom. So we're having the dinner that I made earlier, which is salmon, baked salmon. I just baked it with olive oil, salt, pepper, and lemon. And then I've got the quinoa, and these are the same roasted veggies as before. So aubergine and courgette. Just realized I forgot red onion this week. Woo! Anyway, it's our anniversary today, and I forgot. I forgot it was our anniversary. It's our like dating anniversary, or like when we got together. But yeah,
when we finally kissed.
13 years. I tell you, 13 years we've been together. I've also got my water, and I'm gonna have my dinner now, so I'm gonna enjoy. Oh, I forgot to take my vitamin B12. Yeah, just gonna drop dead. I was gonna end this vlog later, but this little munchkin will not go to bed. We're transitioning him into his big boy bed, so we're having some issues right now. But I was just washing my face, taking off my makeup, just doing my skincare routine, and he popped in. But anyway, I have one thing left to take, and that is my vitamins. So I'm taking, I keep them all in here. I stay in my handbag. So it's Well Woman Max, and you get 3 different tablets. That's the vitamin D. This is the multivitamin, and then there's a fish oil. Then I'm also taking my hay fever tabs, and this week I don't have to take my pill because it goes in like 3-week cycles. I have the rest of my skincare routine to do, and I need to try and get this little boy to go to sleep. But he's just so cute, so he gets away with it. He came in and his face was so cute. I love you. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope you're happy that What a Wednesday is back. I got a lot of requests for them, so hopefully this is something that you are interested in. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also take liquid vitamin B12 and liquid vitamin D, but I didn't film that because I took that earlier today. So yeah, I just want to add that in. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more. And we'll see you next week. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? You're gonna say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. You shy? You're gonna all quiet? Say bye.